Lask AI. Even code needs a superhero. In the VS Code, we will provide a prompt to generate a switch case specifically for the Drupal form controller. Lask AI takes in context of the current file and the repository to generate code that aligns with the coding practices followed throughout the repository. And we can accept the code by pressing Alt, Enter, or leave comments by pressing Alt-C, or fix the syntax errors by pressing Alt-F. Here we have accepted the code. Now we will ask Lask AI to perform a comprehensive code review, focusing specifically on security and scalability of the current file. Lask AI analyzes the code and provides a detailed breakdown covering input validation, role assignment, data integrity, database queries, entity management, code structure, etc. Here, context is not limited to open files. Provide the GitHub or GitLab URL and access token if needed. Fetch the repository structure. You can then select specific files from the remote repository to provide targeted context to your queries. Here we have selected relevant files related to user data and ask Lask AI to explain how user data flows within the context of these remote files. Lask AI leverages the provided remote context to give informed information discussing data storage and security considerations and relating it specifically to the patterns observed in the selected Drupal module files. It also integrates seamlessly with your standard workflow through the right-click context menu. Let's go back to the code we generated earlier. You can select the block, right-click, and click on Fix using Lask AI to automatically check and correct positional syntax errors, or apply best practices. Or we can add comments using Lask AI to each line of code for better understanding. Explore more about Lask AI on our website. Discover features like advanced code generation, powerful context-based coding using local files or remote repositories, intelligent error detection and fixing, and effortless code commenting. Check out the user guide for installation steps and usage details, review frequently asked questions, or sign up to unlock the full potential. Lask AI, even code needs a superhero.